very pretty multicolored yarn. And I'm going to use an H hook. Before this, you can use any type of yarn and hook for this type of stitch. So I'm going to get started. To get started, you need to slip knot onto your hook. And you need to do a chain that is an odd number. So I'm going to do a demonstration of like 15. So yarn over and pull through. And then continue on until you have your desired chain count that you prefer. Okay, you're going to start with a single crochet. So on the second chain from the hook, create your single crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then you're going to yarn over and you're going to create a double crochet in the next chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then continue with a single, and then you're just alternating between a single crochet and a double crochet. So that's a single, next is a double, and then a single, and then a double, and then you're going to complete until you get to the end, and you'll end with a double crochet. So back and forth, single, double, until the end. Okay, the last one gets a double crochet, and then chain 1, turn, and then in that first stitch you're going to work a single, and then a double in the next, because you're right on top of that single, so you're doing the opposite. So double, and then single crochet, then a double in the next stitch, and then you're just alternating between the two, single and double again until you get to the end. Okay, so at the end here on this beginning previous stitch, the single, go right on top of it and work your double crochet. And then chain 1 and turn, and then you're just repeating each row the same way. You're starting with your chain 1, single crochet right in that same stitch, and then a double crochet in the next, and then a single, and just repeat that until you get to the end, and that is how you do this type of stitch. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Complete this at the very end with your double crochet.